Okay.
Alright.
This is Chad, chasing the ducks. Oh, that's it. Drown the duck in the water. Oh, look, he's got one. Oh, it's hard to walk in this snow.
Alright, children. You're gonna have to help rather just film here.
What? No, I'm filming.
Well, then I'm not doing it.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Yep, here they come.
You.
Poor kitty. All right, I'll help. Here, quackies. Quackers! Come on, quacks. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, wrong way, wrong way.
Nancy.
Here, quackers! Okay, I got my two. Quackers! Well, for one thing, the gate's not even open yet.
It will be.
Under the Jeep. What are you two doing?